What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can turn any strategy that you've ever used, like the moving average crossovers or using the MACD for entries and exits, into a winning strategy with one simple indicator that you can add to your chart that will give you the best confirmations possible for any strategy that you want to use. So without further ado, let's hop into the video. Let's show you exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, let's get into the video. So everybody by now should know about the MACD strategy. This is a very beginner friendly strategy that everybody is taught to use in the most basic courses out there and most basic YouTube videos out there for beginner traders who are either trading Forex, crypto, stocks, futures, you name it. They all at some point encounter the strategy of using the MACD indicator. Now, obviously, this is a very simple strategy, but just in case you've never seen this before, it works just like this. Whenever the blue line crosses over or under the orange line, this is an entry position. So for example, here, we see that the blue line crossed over the orange line right about here. This means that we enter a buy position, and as we can see, this probably would have hit our take profit over here. Now, this strategy is very simple. However, it does give you lots of false signals. And what do I mean by this? I mean signals that say they should win, but theoretically do not. So for example, over here, it told you to buy again where the blue line crossed over the orange. But as you can see in this section, the price would have fell down and you would have lost your trade. You would have hit your stop loss. Same thing over here. It told you to buy again right there. And again, not enough price movement, and it went back down after that. It would have hit your stop loss. And again, guys, this happens countless times. Like over here, for example, it happened multiple times, and over here you should have lost all your money. Now let me show you what you could do to make this strategy and any other strategy, which I'll explain later on in the video, way more accurate and have way better chances of hitting your take profit simply by using one indicator. Okay, so the indicator that we want to add is this one right here. It's called Elite Algo version 31 Onyx version. Now what this does is it's going to show you the market trends that's happening inside of the market and tell you exactly whether you're bullish or bearish, and then you can use the MACD as entries with the trend. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about here. So for example, over here where we got a bunch of signals where the blue line and the orange line went above and under each other multiple times, it would have told you that because we are currently in a sell position, we should only focus on sell entries on the MACD. Now, what would have happened here when this happened, we would have entered a trade and we would have hit our take profit here. Very, very, very simple. Again, guys, we have a buy signal here that was given and also a MACD that was given. This would have told us, okay, this might be a good time to take a trade, and this would have hit our take profit. Same thing over here, guys. We see that we're currently in a buy position right there. So we could have taken these signals over here on the MACD, and we would have again made major profit on the upside simply by using an indicator to help us confirm what trends we are in the market. And the best part about this indicator is that you can also customize it to look for shorter or long-term trends. So what do I mean by this? Let me show you. If we go into the settings here, we can take a look at the noise filter that we currently have turned on. The noise filter gives you overall better signals on the Elite Algo chart that you can also follow yourself if you want. But the noise filter accounts for all the noises that's currently happening in the market and tries to avoid false movements upwards or downwards. If we increase this number, it's going to increase the sensitivity on the noise filter, making it so we know the market trends even better. So now we can see that this whole area would have been a perfect sell position. So we should have only taken sell positions on the MACD, and this whole area buy positions, again sell positions over here. We could have used this indicator to again confirm our bias in the market. And we can not only stop there. That's just one confirmation. We can add multiple confirmations. So for example, if we go down here into the echo cloud, what would have happened over here is that it would have given us a cloud that shows us the overall trend in the market as well on another mathematical logic-based system that it's using in the back end. So over here we can see this is currently a bullish market followed by a bearish market and then a bullish market. As you can see, you can use all these tools inside of this algorithm to help you better understand what's happening on the chart. You can even use the market structure setting right here. That what this does is going to give you areas of potential reversals that may or may not happen. As you can see, reversal up, and these all come in real time, guys. So this is an indicator that you guys can use to improve any strategy that you possibly want whenever you're trading. Now, if you guys want access to this indicator, it's not available on the indicator's public library, but I'll leave a link down below so you can go ahead and check it out. It's only $1 for the first 30 days to use it, so it's incredibly cheap. Next, guys, over here, we can take a look at other strategies. So for example, if we don't want to use the MACD strategy, we want to use the RSI strategy instead, relative strength index. Let me show you how it would work with this strategy instead, because I know you've heard about this strategy as well. So for the RSI, if you haven't heard about it before, it's extremely simple. So basically what you want to look for is overbought and oversold positions in the market. When something is overbought, this purple line will go to the top end of this range over here. This indicates that there's a lot of buyers, and sometimes they're going to all start selling very soon. So for example, over here, we see that this was an area that the price was overbought. You can see this over here on the chart. And then we could have entered this trade over here, set our stop loss and our take profit, something like this, for example. And then our take profit down here. And then we would have hit a major trade win in the market, simply just following the indicator, telling us that we're currently in a sell position. There's a lot of sellers in the market, and in this area is a little bit overbought. So this would give us a good confirmation to enter a trade. Just like over here, for example, the price again was overbought in this area, and we can see the same thing happen up there, guys. We're currently in a sell position. The price is overbought. The price fell down right after. And we would have completely avoided all these false signals over here, over here, over here, over here, and again over here, simply by understanding that we are currently in a sell position on our charts. So we know exactly not to trade against the trend, and we should be trading with the trend with the smart money. Again, this indicator really helps you understand exactly what's happening in the market and how to make better decisions whenever you're trading. So again, if you guys want to try it, all you got to do, click the link down below in the description. And if you have any questions, all you got to do is simply just comment down what you want to ask. I'm going to answer every single question that's given to us inside of this video. And if you have any recommendations for any videos in the future, go ahead and post them. I'll be happy to make videos on that as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Have yourselves a good day, and don't forget to subscribe. It helps us keep making videos just like this in the future. Have a good day.